Hi, I'm Swathi from Indiahikes. Many trekkers often call us with this one big complaint saying, you know what, Indiahikes treks are always full, why do I have to plan so much in advance? Now, unfortunately, this is a reality of it. We've actually noticed two things where treks get filled very quickly. The first is our more difficult treks, starting from our moderate, difficult and difficult treks. In these cases, trekkers are very particular that they choose the right organization, an organization that ensures their safety, ensures a good experience because they're preparing a lot for it, putting in a lot of time, effort and money into it, and they want to be safe on the trek. So this is a reason why they plan much in advance to make sure they get a slot with Indiahikes. The second set of people we see is they're obviously going for the popular treks. So maybe a Kedarkantha in winter, or maybe a Tarsar Marsar or Kashmir Great Lakes. All of our popular treks get filled much in advance. But how much in advance should you register for a trek? So I would recommend going for at least 5 months in advance versus the 2 months or 1 month in advance that trekkers do now, and then they call us and complain that they don't have dates. So why register so much in advance? Few reasons. First is you'll get the luxury of choosing the dates that you want versus the dates that we are left over with. So if you have holidays sometime, you can choose according to that and plan your trek comfortably. Second is you have a big cushion to actually reschedule or make any changes to your trek if required, because if you're planning in the last minute, you want to make any changes in the last minute, you will be losing out on some money in the cancellation charges and things. Third is you get a good time to get fit for the trek. You need at least 2 months to get fit for a Himalayan trek. But if you have at least 3-4 months, nothing like it, you can work on your stamina, you can work on your core body strength, you can actually get as fit as a trek leader to be on a Himalayan trek. And the fourth reason is, of course, our rentals. Many trekkers, more than 60% of our trekkers opt to rent trekking gear with us, and that runs out of stock very quickly. So if you plan your trek in advance, you can plan your rental gear in advance and order your stock quickly. So these are a few reasons that you must start planning in advance, and my suggestion, as I said, at least 5 months in advance, start planning your trek. On these lines, many trekkers also ask us that your groups are full, what should I do now? My suggestion is we have lots of treks and each of them is as good as the other. It's never like one trek is better than the other. They are popular and less popular, yes, but they are all equally beautiful. So at the same time, during the same dates, we will definitely have other treks going on. So make sure you take a look at our upcoming treks page and plan your trek in advance. If you need help in advising which trek you should do, you can give us a call and our experts over here will be able to help you out. You can also write to info@indiahikes.com. So I hope this answered your question. If you have any other questions related to this, just drop in a comment below and we'll help you out. We are also making a lot of other videos about trekking, trails. We have lots of trek talk videos. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. You'll be notified of our future videos. That's all from me today. I'm Swathi from Indiahikes.